Alright guys, kain po tayo. So, isang aloy sa kamatis. Alright. Siyempre may kanin yan. Hindi po mawawala yung cute na sili natin. Alright. Let's do this. First bite po natin. May sili yan. Alright. Ang sarap guys. Sarap. Cheers. Durugin na natin. Right. Thank you. Go. Cheers. 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 Last bite po guys, masarap po. Karasahang aloy sa kamatis. Alright, napasarap. Okay guys, thank you guys. Solve na ba to? Solve ka na naman. Yeah, thank you.